Hello. Here is how to make your own articulated 3D printed sign. First, import all the letters you need into your slicer. Remember to include start and end parts. Roughly align all the pieces on the plate. Then zoom in and look from the top view. Carefully align each piece. Small grooves in pieces will help you in horizontal alignment. Don't worry if your precision is not super great. There are some tolerances that will forgive you minor mistakes. Merge all the pieces together into a single part. Now you can scale it down or up as you like. Choose your favorite color and add some color changes. After slicing, swipe through the layers to ensure if there are no fused pieces or other displacement. That's it, everything is set up and ready to go. Happy 3D printing!